Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude Sonnet to analyze stocks. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for Claude by Anthropic. Then open the official website and access the chat interface. You will see a clean layout with a message box where you can begin your analysis. Next, enter a structured prompt asking Claude Sonnet to analyze a specific stock like a market analyst. This ensures the response is clear, organized, and easy to understand for beginners. Claude will break down key areas such as fundamentals, revenue, and profit. Fundamentals reflect the company's overall financial health. Revenue represents total sales, and profit shows earnings after expenses. Submit the prompt and carefully review each section provided in the response. This helps you understand performance, trends, and potential risks of the stock. So that's basically how you can use Claude Sonnet to analyze stocks. That's it for this video. Thanks.